No. Well, I was just trying to stretch it out a little further before it like shot down the hill. So I just up there on top, instead of going down the hill, I've been coming up here, going through these trees and then looping back.
So we go all the way to the top and hug that, go down all the way, or does it meet the old trail?
No, it doesn't quite meet the old trail.
Okay, and then come back up, go there, turn right.
Yep.
Sakes.
Totally enough room to do it. Follow me once. Blew off a radiator hose. You guys see that top radiator hose? It completely blew off.
Your situation tells me that this sucks.
Just blew the top radiator hose off coming up the hill.
Huh.
Blew it completely off the radiator.
Huh.
Started spewing coolant everywhere.
Huh. Well, that seems neat.
So I'm gonna let it cool down for a few, and then try to limp it back.
Honestly, too, if you don't want to limp it back, you coast to the bottom of that hill when we park my Jeep in that hayfield. Jeep is back again.
Forgot about the recluse.
What?
I forgot about the recluse. So I think I can. I'm gonna get it down to that tree. I'm gonna try to put that hose back on by hand. Oh! The radiator broke off the mount. What an expensive day. If I let it get really cool, might make it back. All right, YouTube, can you guys see that? When I crashed in that ravine, I broke my radiator off the mount completely. And then when I was coming up the hill, it blew that top hose off, because now the whole radiator can move back and forth. So in one off-balance crash in the ravine, I've cost myself probably $100 in hand guards, a $20 lever, and a $100 radiator. Bummer. All right, guys. Well, radiator's broke. The line is mostly the hose is mostly off the radiator. Bike's still hot, but I'm going to try to coast it off the mountain and let it cool for a second, and then we're going to just start it up and get home as quick as possible. Home's only about 45 seconds or a minute away. I think we'll be okay. Good thing we're not like deep out in the woods. Would have been better if I was in neutral. Still not in neutral. Look at all these little logs. Oh, beautiful view though, right? September in Appalachia. Dang, look at that sky. All right, we'll get to the bottom of this hill. We're gonna try to make it back home before the bike blows up. What do you think? We made it. Nice.